be so careful not to drop this camera. Look over there. Ready? Whoa. Oh, it's making me feel ill. I've had a question on one of my videos, and that rarely happens. I'm not used to this on this channel. Let me shut that door. So earlier this year I did a video on the GoPro Fusion camera. It's had over 6,000 views, 61 likes and 3 dislikes. But I've had a question from DLU975. How you doing? Hello, just subscribed. Thanks very much. Please post a video of your workflow with the Fusion. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. I don't see the quality, and if I bump up the quality I get glitches, and it takes forever to upload any videos from the Fusion. Sometimes 20 hours before it posts to YouTube. Is this normal? Again, please share your workflow. Okay, I will. I use the app to extract the footage I use from the Fusion. It's the easiest way, and I have noticed that it's a lot less buggy than it used to be. So now everyone's talking about the GoPro Hero 7, they really should be talking about the Fusion 360 camera, because it appears like they seem to have fixed a lot of the issues I had before. So, I will show you my basic workflow with the GoPro Hero Fusion camera. And as a bonus, someone else asked, Edmund Rogers, that's a helpful review, but do you have any more night footage? We all know GoPro captures great daylight footage, but night is something completely different. Yeah, you're not wrong about that. Also, just to be clear, you are saying the phone app is faster? Yes, I am. Although I haven't used the desktop version in ages, but it just kept crashing, so I might be wrong there. But I have no need to go back and use the desktop version because the phone one is fine. The only reason I'm interested in this camera is for the Overcapture editing capability. It's amazing. You're not wrong. It is amazing. Alright, I shall get some night footage and I will show you my workflow with the GoPro Fusion camera. Okay? Alright, cool. Let's do it. Experiment that we're doing. Right, there we go. We have the test footage. 31 clips used. But before I go any further, actually, I tend to leave the clips on here and I delete them. So I only extract the info that I want, or the clips that I want, through the Overcapture feature, and then I just delete the files. The reason why I do that, I tried to store them on a hard drive, but they came off as 2 separate files for the camera. Now I know the software on the desktop version does automatically link them together, but I just have no use for them, and they're massive files, so I only keep the finished article. Right, let's have a look at how I edit using the GoPro app, that one. So first things first, need to go to the little icon in the top there, and I've already got the Wi-Fi set, so that's already on. Little camera signal there. Tap on that, shows you a nice picture of your GoPro Fusion and hopefully a little blue symbol up the top there, and then you basically click on this box here in the bottom corner. Once you do that, it then, oh, what's this then? Yes, I want you to join. Blue light comes on, cameras are linked. There you go. God, that was the time to get it right, wasn't it, GoPro? It didn't crash. But that's the sort of thing it used to crash on maybe 6 months ago. Just used to struggle going between these little features, but it's really quite good now. So let's have a look at those clips. Okay, here are my clips, which are basically still on the camera but visible on the app. Now, to do anything with the Overcapture feature, you need to download everything you want to use, or everything you want to do an Overcapture of. You need to download that to your phone. There is no other way of doing it. You have to download it to your phone. So let's go with this one here. So it will give you a preview. You can turn this portrait or landscape. It will update. You can have a look of how it will look when you download it and start doing the Overcapture feature. You can sometimes hit play and it works. Is it going to work? It was, wow! Doesn't always do that. Doesn't always do that. So you can then start to get a real-time version of what you can possibly get. There we go, looking good, Mike. So if I wanted to actually do an overcapture for that, I have to download this whole clip, which I will do by hitting this little arrow to an open box. So smashing that and downloading clip. Depending on how long your clip is, it will take longer or shorter. This one, which is probably about 10 seconds long, this clip, and it's approximately taking about 20 seconds to download. Gives you a little time thing saying 6 seconds remaining, download complete, and then up here you've got a quick link to view in local media. Simply hit that, and here is all my local media which is stored on your phone. Just be advised, these files take up a lot of space on your phone. So this is, I think it's a 64 gig device. It's okay, it can take quite a few clips that I've downloaded. But it will give you the raw clip, so to speak, plus any other images you created. So here's one of my trip in Venice. So that's a picture that I did, and it saves that in the local side of the app as well. Let's go back to Santa Monica Pier, hit play. Again, same thing applies, turning the format of the screen like so, and you can move stuff around. Now, to perform the overcapture, you have to hit this circle button here. Now, once you hit that, it takes you to almost like a recording screen, and it gives you the option of a photo, which is in now, and then you want to switch to the video, just hit the video. So I discovered that only recently. I'm not sure if that's an update, because I don't remember that happening before. But at the moment it's in video mode. So then all you simply do, you can even scoot it along to a frame that you want to start the clip at. Let's start it there. But it was just so awkward, just walking along all by yourself in a crowded area with a giant pole sticking up in the sky. Yeah, there we go. Let's start with that. And then when you want to start recording, just hit that circle there. And then wherever you move the device, you can point to it. That's what it's recording. Alright? And it gives you, there we go. So you then got two functions here. I mentioned the share directly to social media here, and this one which is save directly to your phone. So let's do that. And again, depending on how long your clip is, will depend on how long this process takes. So you can get an idea of how long these things actually take to process. Another little tip I would say is don't zoom in too much. That's where you'll start to see a loss in quality. I think it's a 5.2K picture for the 360 image in total, but of course if you zoom into a certain aspect of that, then that's going to affect the resolution. Here we go, share directly to Instagram stories. That's obviously a new feature. So down there you've got all the share to social media platforms. At this stage it's on your phone already. So if I come out of the app and I go into my photos, camera roll, where are we? Here we go. So it's already in my camera roll. There we go. And that's your clip. Done. Then I simply airdrop that to my Mac, and I use the clips as standard in the timeline. So there we go. That pretty much sums it. Another few tips I would share as well. Where are we? Are we here? Is that working? Can everybody see and hear me? Oh, you're dafty. Always have the camera like this. If you have it like that, then you will see the pole, because basically when you have it dead straight, effectively what it's doing is it's hiding underneath the join line. So that's how, when it's extended out, you get that really cool effect that looks like a drone about 3 feet in front of you, and you don't see any of this pole. So that's a very cool little feature. Other thing to be wary of, when you're taking a 360 image and you're pulling out and looking like that small planet thing, be wary of anything that's in front of you, because anything that's close in front of you will seem very big in the image. So the best thing to do is go to the edge of something, or go somewhere where you have a large space in front of you, and then that way what you're trying to take a photo of, likely yourself in the environment, will stand out more basically. But if you're in a crowded environment, just stick it right in the sky like this. The closest thing to it, well, will stand out more than anything else. I would say the low light capability is pretty good. I got some shots last night, and I was quite surprised it was picking up anything. So I generally have a rule with GoPros that if the sun's not out, the GoPro's not out, because GoPros do require a lot of light to make them look good. Yeah, their low light capabilities have got considerably better, but just things like colours, it just doesn't look that great. So the standard camera always wins on that. Audio, it's okay. As far as GoPros go, it's okay. Yes, it's waterproof. But yeah, just watch out for that low light stuff. You know, it's no surprise that once it gets crazy low, the images do get a little bit noisy. So just watch out for that. Right, hopefully I've answered all the questions. Thank you again for leaving the questions in the comment section and making me do a video. No, it's fine, I enjoy it. If you have found this useful, please give me a thumbs up, always helps. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. We do travel vlogs, occasional football vlogs, and we talk about cameras and drones occasionally. And we do drone flights too, so buckle up. I will see you in the next one.